Welcome back to Earthling Cooks. Today we're doing fried catfish here.
Hey everybody!
There's Carolyn. I made this actually like 2 weeks ago for her, but she made up the seasoning as she'll do here. But about 2 weeks ago I made this and it turned out great. She loved it. I tried it. It was amazing. So we're going to repeat the recipe. You guys got to give this a try. We'll go into it right now. Carolyn is going to mix together the seasoning. Now we are ready to get cooking. We just have to get this all covered, and we're going to start with a egg bath here with also some milk. I put about a teaspoon of milk and one egg. We're just going to go ahead, get the fish in there first. This is a pretty small bowl, I know, for me. I would use a bigger one, but I know I can just get them through each way here. And then straight into our seasoning. Pull off that little end. Oops. Since I'm just making one, I don't really care if I get a lot of the seasoning wet, really. Usually I would use one hand for putting it in and the dry hand for covering it and everything. Push it down a little bit on top and on bottom. Flip it once and do the same. And now we'll go to the pan. Have your oil heated up and ready to go. And here's our final product, guys. It turns out great every time. A nice golden breading there, flaky and moist on the inside. Try this recipe, it's pretty simple, and you get some great catfish at home. Have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. We'll see y'all later.